Hi, I'm Curtis with the Fun Times Guide. Today I'm going to give you some examples of how medical assistance is not close at hand and not very cost efficient. It's expensive. I am standing alongside the helipad outside Brenda, Arizona, where the emergency evacuation helicopter lands to pick up people. In the past month, they have made 6 landings to pick up people that have had various medical emergencies. This is a very expensive proposition when the time comes that you need medical assistance, and you better prepare for it ahead of time. This is the simple little gully that was my undoing. I rode down this side, and coming up the other side, the far side, is when the bicycle threw me off the back. This is a Quartzsite medical plaza. They are very good about transferring you to more complex medical facilities. As you can see in their back lot, you can see the windsock where the helicopter lies. Next door is the fire department, which has the first responders that will respond quickly in the immediate area. But if you need anything complex, you can count on being picked up at the helipad here by the flight services. The helicopter sits ever ready, day or night, ready for the next emergency call. But rest assured, whoever it comes to pick up, they better have $50,000 in their pocket to cover the bill, because unless you make prior arrangements, the out-of-pocket expense for such an emergency trip will bankrupt the average person in very short order. That's why you need to have an exit plan and make plans ahead of time before the emergencies come, because unexpected, they can be a financial burden that you are not prepared to handle.